So we're here in Coral Gables, Florida. It's about 3 o'clock in the morning. We're here in the Miracle Building, but this building, this terrazzo floor, looks like it needs a miracle to get it back to where it's supposed to be. But we already started grinding the floor. That's Mike right there. What's up, Mike? We started grinding the floor already with step number 2 using our 6-step system. So we start step number 2 and we're gonna go all the way up. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and number 6. And of course, we're using our 2-headed grinder, the GP26. It has 2 motors, it has weights, 6-gallon tank. It runs on 110 volts. I love it. Let's do this. We finished using step number 2, and now we're gonna go straight to step number 3. We already finished doing all of the diamond steps. We did number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and you see the floor has a really good shine. In normal cases, do on terrazzo floors metals, resins, then polishing powder and crystallize. But every floor is different, every situation is different. So here we decided to use our 6-step system, step number 2 all the way to number 6. Now we're cleaning the floor, and then we're gonna apply guard on top. This is the final product. So after the floor already shine, we just apply guard just to give it an extra protection, since this is a public area and we got hundreds of people walking every day. And that's it. So we're done. Another job well done. Hey, thank you so much for watching our video. I know you might have a question or a comment, so please leave it below. Also, please like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget, every product that you saw in our video, we also have on our website. So I know you could do it. If you want to do the job yourself, I know you can do it. Just go on the website and you'll find it there. Also, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. This is Anthony James. See you next time.